Oh, this looks like all really a premium ingredients from Anam. Oh hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Grizel and it's Sunday. I'm dressed up and we are heading out for a lunch. My husband and the kids, they went out in Anam, which is like very closer to where we live. This is really not like a huge store, but they have what we need every day. So I asked him to get me a nice wine from Anam. I always love having wine with me. I drink a lot of wine. Yeah, I'm an elephant drinker when it terms of wine. So my favorite wine is actually Cabernet Sauvignon, and it took me like 6 or 7 years to distinguish the kind of wine that I love having. I'd like to have this maybe tonight after our lunch. Hold on, I'm just gonna keep this in the fridge first. So I think after our lunch, we're heading out to a mall. We would like to find a coffee maker. We've been like doing a research. It's called DeLonghi. I don't know if I pronounce it very well, but sometimes I just sucks with pronunciation. So please excuse me for that. It's not really like the expensive one, but I think it doesn't matter as long as it provides the kind of function you want to have in that certain electric appliances. Yeah, that cater our wants. I and my husband would prefer like more on plain black coffee. We'd like to have as long as the good beans. I hope, wish us good luck. We're gonna find our tableware. So it's like coming really soon. It's gonna be like a month from now, and I'm just so excited to get all of those arranged and organized here. We always have this kind of moment in our family in where my husband cook for weekends and we have a really small party, just like us, the members of the family. So I hope when everything is settled here in our kitchen, we can again do that. I hope my audio really works here because it's too loud inside the restaurant. The restaurant itself is really good. It has a very high ceilings, all over a chandeliers. It's fully packed with people. Porridge. And we also, for you, yours is coming. What did you get? Watermelon? Okay. This, oh my god, I heard somebody screaming. Baby screaming. It's not a fun thing. I think that's one of the reasons there are those high-end restaurants. They don't allow small kids. Oh, yeah, there's like inside. This is really like funny. I'm not even a food blogger, but if I get a chance, yeah, this is amazing to, you know, just eat because I go out and eat together with the family. So yeah, I just want to share with everyone. In case you come here in Vietnam, you can go in a restaurant like this. I don't know how to eat this. I should dip it. Should I eat it this way? I'm sorry. I like their products here. It's really good quality. This is like a pickle container and it is worth 98,100. This is probably like 400 plus yen or 200 plus in pesos.
to get a coffee maker. We couldn't find what we are really looking for. Before we get back home, there is just like a lucky box machine. This really looks so fun. I wonder what's inside here. I'm excited what's inside. What is this? What is this thing? So that's how our weekend goes, and it's fun.
Hi, we're home and my husband is starting to bake now. I don't bake, I eat a lot of cookies, cakes, and I really don't cook much. He cooks very well, like in a 5-star hotel. So before our weekend ends, our dinner for tonight is a steak. So last week we also got a steak from them, but it's like the Chateaubriand. Now we're having a ribeye platinum. It's 500 grams. 4 or 5 years ago, I started my obsession about steak, especially for weekends. So yeah, that's our weekend lifestyle in Japan. We love eating steak. 1.350 for a 500 grams ribeye platinum. It says they have also in Philippines. This is one of the things I struggle here. When we first came here for like a month, like, oh my god, where could we find a nice beef? But then my husband is very resourceful, so he found a nice steakhouse.
Your steak looks so yummy.
This is so much better than the last one. I'm so happy for this.
I think that's all for this weekend. I hope you have a great one, and bye for now. Thank you always for watching. Bye. I'll see you on my next video.